Hey everyone! Shelby had a tooth pulled out last week, so we've started the process of the wisdom teeth. So, yeah, exactly. So I thought we might do some jaw and hip stuff and just see. Nothing might be out. It's sort of interesting. When I have dental work, it's usually about a month later my hips play up and then my knees start playing up.
Really?
In the past, I never knew what was going on. It would be that my knees would lock in the middle of the night and then my hips would be really painful. And we've got that stupid gene in our family, the HLA-B27 gene, so we're predisposed to all sorts of arthritis anyway. So, do you have any known genes in your family that mess with you? Nothing known? Nothing that...
No, my family just gets fun little things that pop up out of nowhere.
Excellent. Even better. Okay, so let's... Okay, maybe I'll check in the clear with survival stuff and immune system stuff, and then we'll put the jaw in and see what changes. Just for fun. How's your week been?
Pretty good, actually, yeah.
Excellent. Okay, so hold up for me and hold. Beautiful. And your big toe muscle. Big toe muscle. Perfect. And survival. Deep survival. Hidden deep survival. Okay, so they're all good, and let's check your immune, core immune points. And hold, 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 hold. Okay, so in the clear with no particular stress on line, that's all doing pretty well. Good. Okay, so jaw. What I'm going to do firstly is check your left and right glute medius, because they're the muscles we use to check the jaw. So firstly, hold the leg out, don't let me pull into the centre. Perfect. Hold out, don't let me pull into the centre. Now I'll get you to pop 2 fingers either side of the jaw. And hold out nice and strong, and whooshka. And hold out nice and strong. Okay, so that says yes. How long were you in the dentist chair?
Oh gosh, it all happened so quickly. I think 15, 20 minutes at the most, but it didn't feel long at all. Yeah.
So it went out really easily.
Yeah, which is funny because all of my wisdom teeth are still in the gums.
Yes.
I didn't even feel them cut through anything.
Huh. That's amazing. Because I think I've told you, when I had my wisdom teeth removed, it was an hour for each one. Because they were just so rock solidly in there. That was a big dude, and he was working hard, and no.
Yeah, this guy was great. It just came, or at least everything was...
Yeah. Fantastic.
The lower ones will be more difficult because they're more digging into the teeth next to them.
Yeah, right.
But, top ones are coming out easy, apparently.
Dentists are amazing.
They are.
Okay, so so the first test is the bottom jaw, so the mandible. So open up and just giving a little wiggle in the bottom of the jaw for 10-15 seconds. Another few seconds. Cool. And did they have like the the plastic in your mouth and that sort of thing?
No.
So they didn't put any of that in?
I had to tilt my head this way and put my jaw like that. And that's how it was.
Really? How simple. Huh, nice. So this one's unlocking. So when I'm checking the mandible with the pubic bone, it's starting to unlock, which indicates the jaw is jammed in here. Once again, no surprise. But you haven't had any headaches this week or anything?
I think I got one earlier this morning, but it was nothing really worth noticing.
Okay, so more dehydration or stress or something,
Probably,
or lack of sleep, or...
Yeah, but the teeth haven't caused any headaches.
Cool. Okay, so what I'm going to do is a little condyles in the jaw. So just open your mouth a fraction, just wide enough. Yep, beautiful. And breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. And this little spot here can be a little tender as well. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Not too bad?
A little sore, but not too bad.
Okay. And this one, breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Actually, while I'm here, I'll quickly do the Bowen technique moves in underneath the jaw as well. Oh yeah, can you feel those little
Oh,
guys?
yeah, those are more sore.
Okay, so they're the little lymph nodes that'll be dealing with the anaesthetics. I assume you had anaesthetic.
Oh, yeah, I was numbed, but I was still conscious for the whole thing.
Nice.
Which was surprising because I thought I was going to have to be completely knocked out.
That's cool.
Yeah. I'm really pleased with how easy it all actually ended up being.
Excellent. Okay, so let's recheck. So 2 fingers either side of the jaw and hold out for me. Excellent. Next one, 2 thumbs on the roof of the mouth on the inside and hold out for me. Oi, it tried. There was good energy in there. Let me just double check gallbladder energy. Hold up for me. Okay. So the roof of the mouth is connected to gallbladder energy. Gallbladder energy is connective tissue strength. So when all this has been tight and weird and, you know, messed around with. Okay, so open again and breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Beautiful. And anything to do with the jaw can jam the cranial bones. So just give them a gentle little stretch. None of them are particularly sore?
No, not really.
I've got a couple of cute little autistic and ODD kids at the moment, and they, they're always, they're regularly very, very tight in autistic kids. I think their little skulls just so trying to hold on with all the stress they go through. Okay. So, and that was gallbladder energy as well. Ah, that's corrected that. Beautiful. Okay, and once again, double check. Mandible, pubic bone, no, that's good. Okay, so 2 thumbs on the roof of the mouth again. And hold. Lovely. Next one, right hand on the right jaw. And hold out for me. Okay. Was it stressful at all, or was it all okay?
It started off being really good, but right at the end I had a major panic attack because all out of nowhere I thought he's taking the wrong tooth out. I thought it's going too easy. I didn't feel him cut through the gum. He's taking the wrong tooth. But a minute later, the tooth was out, and I was able to put my tongue over and check and go, it's the right tooth. It's fine. I still have the ones that are supposed to be there. But while it was going on, it was so strong. I had to fight not to say anything, not to try.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Okay.
But it was over. It was over really quickly, which was good. At least I didn't sit there panicking for long. Yeah. It was just so strong and so out of nowhere. But that was the only stress throughout the whole ordeal. So
yeah, because you've been building it up in your mind for so long about how difficult it's going to be.
Yeah, and then it was so easy.
Darn easy things. Isn't that the classic with anxiety, though? It's the worst case scenario we're worried about all the time.
Always.
Okay, so stress jaw. Oh, so the right hand on the right jaw is the stress jaw, and that's the one that unlocked. So yeah, so that makes sense. Makes perfect sense. Because generally you're not particularly aware of clenching your jaw or grinding your teeth out. It's not one of your things.
No, not that I'm aware of.
Yeah, good. Oh, feel that little guy?
Oh yeah, I do quite often.
Man. So I might even just open the mouth and close. Just so that little guy there, it's a pterygoid muscle. And open and close. Okay, so right hand, right jaw again. And hold. Perfect. Now right hand on the left jaw. And hold. That one's okay. Your digestive's been good this week, no problems? Yeah, that's digestive jaw. Next one, left hand on the right jaw. And hold. No, that's good. So you haven't had any lower back or hip issues since it's happened?
No, I don't think so.
Yeah, good. Now left on right and right on left. Haha.
Pat your head and rub your stomach.
Exactly. Hold. Oh, hello. Okay. So that one says that because there was so much energy in here, your head and your hips have forgotten where they are. So just bend your knees. And these little ischial tuberosities and kidney 27. So that's just connecting the hips to the front of the body. Good. And down. Left on right and right on left. And again, hold. Beautiful. Okay, now let's see if it messed with your immune system. And hold, 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 hold. Okay, so there's two things in the anaesthetics that they give us. Well, there's several things, but I'm going to check for the anaesthetics as well as the adrenaline. You know, because I assume you wouldn't have said no adrenaline in your anaesthetic.
I didn't know that was.
There is, mate.